morning. We are starting off our day on a wet note here in Fargo. We've got some showers and thunder showers in the vicinity too, but Fargo-Moorhead has largely missed out on the heavier stuff, just enough to bring about a little bit of a soggy morning drive this morning. Here's a look at the radar right now. We do have some stronger storms down to the south. They're currently exiting the valley, though we still have plenty of rain here in the southern valley. But the most intense part of the storms just about to work their way out of here. You can see some rain around Fargo and over by Detroit Lakes, but if you're along Highway 2 or north from there, it's a quieter start to your day right now. So let's zoom in on some of these locations that are getting the rain. Wadena quieting down after a little thunderstorm rolled through there. Fergus Falls, western parts of Otter Tail County, a good thunder shower. At Elbow Lake, you're seeing that heavier rain move in. Wheaton also dealing with some heavier rain at this point in time too, and still getting some showers right along the state line between North Dakota and South Dakota, there north of Sisseton, south of Lidgerwood. And you can see there's still some lightning associated with these in the Wheaton area, back over into southern parts of Grant County, as well as these continue to move their way toward the east. So quieting things down a little bit for us in Fargo, though there are some sprinkles and some showers still in the vicinity. And again, zooming in, Wheaton, you're getting a good shower right now with some thunder and lightning associated with it. We're going to quickly move over to the west because we've had some areas of rain and thunder popping up on the tail end of things here. So this is Dickey County. Here's Edgeley and Ellendale. So Highway 281, just west of that highway, a stronger thunderstorm developing there. We've got some lightning and what looks like a pretty good downpour, maybe some gusty winds there too. So that's kind of, again, on the tail end of this cluster of showers and thunder showers, and that's rolling to the south and east too. Once that moves on, we start to kind of quiet things down a little bit today, and we'll look at that in your hour-by-hour planner. Here's a look at your temperatures. We are cooler up to the north, 50s there, 60s to the south, where we still have some warmer air in place. And checking out your winds, they are very light in most areas. The one exception is down in Sisseton, where we have that thunder shower rolling through. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. Chances for rain and thunder continue into the next couple of hours, especially in southeastern parts of our viewing area. Up to the north, quieter. That kind of moves on. We don't rule out, though, the potential for cloud cover producing some areas of rain. So something to keep in mind, that it's not going to be perfectly quiet and dry after this moves on today. And having your umbrella handy, probably a good idea, because we have more chances for some rain coming up later. But this is noon, some pockets where we've got some sunshine and a break in the action, but then there are some spotty areas of rain. And more of that starts to pop up as a secondary cold front drops in for this afternoon. That is going to help trigger some isolated to spotty areas of some rain showers. Nothing like what we saw this morning or what we're currently seeing, but still some areas of some rain affecting us for the afternoon and evening. Look at these temperatures, though. It's going to be cool. We've got 60s to 70s for highs, and that's it. So not a warm day at all. And heading into tonight, we'll see those temperatures slip down into some 50s, maybe even some 40s up along the Canadian border tomorrow morning. Notice, though, we'll have a lot more cloud cover for the day tomorrow, starting off in the 5 a.m. hour and just continuing through the morning. That plus that cooler northwest wind going to keep our temperatures down quite a bit. We're looking at highs again in the 60s to about 70 degrees. So tomorrow, certainly feeling like we've got the makings of fall happening as we are seeing those temperatures dip. We quiet things down into the later hours for tomorrow. Here's our photo today. Dad and daughter fishing in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen there on Dry Lake. Thanks, Aaron, for sharing that really pretty shot. And here's a look at your 7-day planner. So the next couple of days will be cool, unsettled today, and then we recover. This is not going to be long-lived. We've got some warmer weather on the way as we get into the weekend, near 80 Saturday and Sunday into the 80s, with a chance, slight chance for a few showers and thunder showers overnight Saturday night. And we continue to heat things up into next week.
Thank goodness.
Yeah.
I'm not ready for 70s and 60s to be the norm.
I don't
Just
mind
a break every once in a while.
Yeah, I don't mind a little break from the heat, but yes, I want summer to stay as long as possible.
Me too. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome.
Ahead here on the Valley today, how local firefighters are helping to raise money for muscular dystrophy.